Sit down, breathe, because the moment you press play on this meditation, everything in your reality starts rearranging itself in your favor. You are not here by accident. You are here because the version of you who gets chosen, who gets chased, who gets begged for is taking over right now. And your specific person, they are already feeling it. They are already feeling the shift. They are already sensing that something is different about you. And they don't even know why yet, but they will. And they will come back and be obsessed with you. Because here's the truth. They did not walk away because you weren't good enough. They walked away because they thought they could. They thought you would stay right where they left you. They thought you would be available forever. They thought you would wait, worry, overthink, replay conversations, stalk their socials, cry into your pillow at night. They expected you to break. They expected you to chase. They expected you to fall apart. But that version of you is gone. That energy is dead. You are not the one who chases anymore. You are the one who shifts the entire dynamic by simply choosing yourself. And that choice, it hits them harder than anything you could ever say or do. Your silence is loud. Your absence burns. Your energy is unavailable. And for the first time, they feel what life is like without you. And it terrifies them because you were their comfort. You were their consistency. You were the one thing in their life that was stable, patient, loving, present, understanding, and giving. They took that for granted. They assumed you would always be there. They thought your love was a guarantee. But now there is no guarantee. They don't have the access that they used to have. They don't get the parts of you they used to get for free. And that's exactly when regret hits. That is exactly when their mind begins spiraling. This is exactly when they realize what they walked away from and who they lost. It starts small. A memory, a smell, a song, something on their feed that reminds them of you. Then it snowballs. Suddenly you are everywhere. Your laugh, your touch, your voice, your name, your energy. Everywhere they go, there you are. They can't escape you. They can't forget you. They can't distract themselves from you. They can't pretend you didn't matter. They can't pretend someone else can replace you. They can't lie to themselves anymore. Every day without you feels wrong. Every day without you feels empty. They keep checking their phone wondering if maybe you'll reach out, but you don't. And that drives them insane. They are waiting for a sign you still care. They are waiting for you to break, but you don't. And that's what flips everything, because you are not the rejected one. You are not the heartbroken one. You are not the abandoned one. You are the one who was always the prize, the one who was always rare, the one who was always the upgrade. And now they feel the loss. They feel the void. They feel the consequences of their choices, and it hurts. It hurts in a way they didn't expect, in a way they can't hide, in a way they can't push down. While they are spiraling, you are rising. While they are regretting, you are setting standards. While they are stuck in the past, you are stepping into the highest version of yourself. You stopped waiting for them to come to their senses. You stopped replaying old conversations. You stopped drowning in doubt. You stopped acting like someone whose life depends on their validation. You stepped into power, and that power is magnetic. You are leveling up. Your vibe is higher. Your standards are clearer. Your energy is richer. You are glowing, elevating, ascending, becoming unshakable. And this version of you, unreachable, untouchable, unforgettable, they can feel it. They can sense it. They can't describe it, but they feel the shift in their body. They feel the loss in their chest, and it pulls them back. They start checking your socials more than they ever did before. They start asking mutual friends about you. They start scrolling old pictures. They start remembering every moment you made them feel seen, loved, supported, and wanted. They feel the difference between you and every other person they have tried to distract themselves with. They feel how no one else compares. No one else measures up. No one else makes them feel the way you did. And it hits them. They didn't let go of someone ordinary. They let go of someone irreplaceable. They let go of the person who cared about them the most. The person who actually understood them. The person who gave them a kind of love they didn't even know how to receive at the time. And now they are panicking. Now they are realizing what they lost. Now they are trying to figure out how to get you back into their life. And the universe is aligning everything to push them right back toward you. Every sign, every gut feeling, every dream, every synchronicity, every quiet moment where their mind matters, it is all leading them straight back to you, because your energy is too powerful to forget. Your connection is too strong to break. Your story isn't over. In fact, it's barely beginning. You are not manifesting them for neediness. You are manifesting them from confidence, from self-worth, from inner knowing, from the reality that you are the one who gets chosen. And that energy, it pulls them back in ways you can't even imagine. And when they come back, and they will, they won't come back casually. They won't come back half-hearted. They won't come back in confusion. They will come back certain. They will come back clearer than ever. They will come back realizing that you were the one they should have fought for, the one they should have committed to, the one they should have chosen. They will come back wanting to prove themselves to you, wanting to show you they have changed, wanting to make things right, wanting to rebuild what they broke, wanting to step up in ways they should have from the beginning. Because now you hold the power. Now you decide. Now you choose. You are no longer hoping they want you. You are choosing whether they even deserve another chance. You are not the one waiting. You are the one evaluating. You are the one in control. You are the one they are trying to impress. You are the one they are trying to win back. And the most powerful part, you don't even have to do anything. You don't have to text. You don't have to call. You don't have to chase. Your energy, the version of you that stepped into self-worth, is doing the work for you. The universe is doing the work for you. Your self-concept is pulling them back like a magnet. They will come back. They will apologize. They will explain themselves. They will confess things you always knew but never heard. They will tell you they miss you. They will tell you they can't stop thinking about you. They will tell you they were stupid. They will tell you they want you back. They will tell you they want to try again. They will tell you They want to rebuild because you are the one they can't let go of. You are the one they can't replace. You are the one they will come back to every time, every version, every reality. You are the one they will fight for. You are the one they will choose. You are the one they will beg for. Not because you manipulated, not because you chased, not because you suffered, but because you finally realized your worth, your power, your value, and that energy rewrote everything. Your specific person is coming back, and this time they are coming back on your terms. They are coming back committed, consistent, obsessive, loyal, invested, and ready to do whatever it takes, because the story ends with you getting what you want. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, I am the one they fight for, to affirm this meditation. Remember to subscribe for more meditations that elevate your love, energy, and life.